So let us discuss perfect present tense. In this we have the helping verbs have and has. Here you can practice like this: I have, we have, you have, he has, she has, it has, they have. Here I have made this darken because he, she, it carries has. Here, as you know, the main verb is V3, that is verb form of 3, that is third form of the verb. Here I have taken brought. For example, bring, brought, brought. Like this, take, took, taken. Like this you can practice. I have brought the papers. We have brought the papers. You have brought the papers. You have brought the papers. He has brought the papers. She has brought the papers. It has brought the papers. They have brought the papers. Like this you should practice. And if you go for some other examples, you can take I have taken some papers. Like that you can change the verb. The main verb is always V3. Let us discuss this with the help of substitution table. Here I have taken some examples like this. In this box, I, Rani, dog, boys. Here have or has. The verb is taken. And in this ball, pen, rest, medicine. You should practice like this. I have taken ball. I have taken pen. I have taken rest. I have taken medicine. Like this. If I have taken Rani means Rani has taken. Remember friends, Rani, it is third person singular, so that the helping verb is has. So Rani has taken ball, Rani has taken pen. Like this you should practice in all these examples. So practice like this and take some other examples and do well. Thank you.